shout out my shirt. Shout out to my girl, she's_chic designs. For all my AKAs looking for something cute for J15, be sure to follow her on Instagram. So if you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the rest of the video. We will be using our Ezina Stylez hair today. Be sure to follow them on Instagram and Facebook. I also have a promo code, FREE20. Use this promo code to get 20% off of your next purchase. So here is our packaging. There is no specialty packaging. The hair is in a standard plastic Ziploc bag with the business name on it. This is a lace frontal 14-inch wig. It also has 130 density. It's really good texture hair. As you all see, the hair is super soft. It wasn't tangly. I didn't have any problems. I didn't have to get a comb or a brush. I just ran my fingers through the hair just to see if I would get any shedding. There was very little shedding. Like the second time I put my fingers through the hair, I literally had like 2 strands, and that's because I like really tried to pull. But the hair is in great condition. I definitely would recommend others using this hair. As you all see, there are 4 combs, 3 like at the top of the wig and then like 1 at the bottom to secure. If you know me, you know I have a little peanut, so I did have to sew an elastic band in just to make sure that it was secure because my head is so small. But as you see, the wig is really good. It has a lot of strength, and it's just in great condition. I did the lace check to my skin. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on the wig just so that it can match my skin tone. So I went ahead and bleached the knots. I did accidentally over bleach the lace and it seeped through to the hair, so I had to go back and do the watercolor method, and as you see, it looks perfect. The hair took very well. It doesn't look like that brightness by the roots area. It looks very natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style and cut a little bit of the hair and go ahead and style the hair with some beach waves. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video. So this is our end result. This hair is super soft. I didn't do any baby hairs. I was trying to go for more of a natural look. I will be doing an update with this wig with other hairstyles as well outside of the middle part because you can do a side part. But this is a perfect glueless wig. I have no problem putting it on or taking it off. I don't even have a cap on, and it just looks so real. So make sure you guys go follow Ezina Stylez and use that promo code FREE20 to get 20% off. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys next time.